Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain about how to configure this Power BI with the Cloud Code like a MCP server model context protocol. So let's see that how to configure this Power BI with the Cloud Code. So for this we need three tools mainly. Those are one is VS Code and another one is Cloud Code desktop app and also Power BI desktop application. So these three things we need here required here to configure this MCP Cloud Code with Power BI. Yeah, let's see that how to configure. First of all, how to configure that. So for this, just you need to install. Just go to into the like extensions in the VS Code. Just type it Power BI MCP. Power BI MCP. Power BI MCP. So then you will get this one. So just click on it and sorry, this one. Yeah, just install it. Okay. Once you install this, just go to the program files where you have installed this extensions in your system. Just go to this PC and this one. Users. Synthos. Just click on it there is one folder .vs code. Just search it. Yeah, this one. Just click on it. Extensions and just a search. Analysis services. Power BI modeling MCP. Okay. After that, yeah, just click on this server and this is the main thing. Power BI modeling MCP. So based on this, then we can connect that our MCP server Power BI MCP with the Cloud Code. Just click on this, double click on this, and you will get some configurations of the MCP. Just copy it and close this one. I'm closing this one. And open this Cloud Code. Just open this settings. The last, just click on this developers. There is no MCP local MCP configurations. So if you want to add anything, so just click on this edit configurations. And if there any configuration is there, so those will be displayed here. Okay, there is no configuration in my system, so that's why I'm opening this. So this will display the Cloud desktop configurations. Just click on this file. Just click on double click on that, and you can see here there is some other configurations, and you can see this MCP server. In this, whatever you copied from that Power BI modeling MCP, just paste it here, and what unwanted things, just remove it here. Just remove it. You can see the path like this: extensions, analysis, services, Power BI modeling, MCP 0.24.0, window 32 into 64-bit. Server and Power BI modeling MCP.exe file. exe file. So this is the main configurations of the Power BI with the Cloud Code. Just yeah. Now just open this. Yeah, already configuration is done. Just close it. And yeah, one more thing. You can use the free version for this. So no need to buy any premium service. Just you can use the free version. Yeah, the MCP is done. Yeah. After this, just open this Power BI desktop. Okay, and import some data. There is an dummy data with the sample chocolate shipment data is there. So just I'm importing that one. Yeah, in that Excel there are different tables are there: calendars, locations, peoples, like that. Completely, I'm importing those things. I'm loading the data. Once that data load is completed, then those will display here right side. Yeah, it's loading. The data is loading right now. Yeah, we got the tables here. Yeah. Once we got this table, just open this dot code and check it here. The once the dot code is connected or not. Settings. Yeah, there is no configurations. One more time, check it. Okay, and close it. I'll close this tabs. Whatever you opened, close it and open it. Yeah. Save this file as a report. You can save as your required name. I'm saving this with the report name. I'm saving here. Once again, I'm opening right now. The data is loaded, and once again, open this Cloud Code. Still, there is no configurations. Why? Because now we got that configurations. We can verify it here from this Cloud. You just click on this and settings and open this developers, and you can see this here. Power BI MCP. So after configurations, you can see it here. Like just I'm adding the name and same path and required arguments and environments. So these are the optional and some other configurations are there. Like those are already configured thing. So don't need to worry about it. Yeah. Once the configuration is done, just open this. Already I opened this one. So I'm same thing. I'm like entering this. Yeah. Got it. Sorry for that. So there is some misport configurations. So here is the my correct port. This one, the Power BI is running in my local Power BI is running in 64175 port. So just I have entered like connected to analysis. So this is at the local 64175 and set it as the active connection. Then list all databases. So first it was connected. Now let me list the all databases connected and found the one database and based on the like DAX queries, it was found these many tables. So already we can see it here. Here calendar 2 dimensions. Like that we have the table data here. So in that same way, so we have data like data tables like this. So this is the MCP configurations. I hope you understood the concept and flow of this. So if you get any doubt, please comment it below. And if you like this video, please comment it. Then I will move forward with real-time examples and project works with the best examples. Yeah, this isn't just configurations and connecting process of Power BI with the Cloud Code. So yeah, I hope you understood this. If you face any issue, please comment it below. Then I will guide you how to do that. Okay? Yeah. Thank you for that. Thank you for watching this video.